Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys reading mode in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your phone reading mode, so how can you enable it and how can you use guys your Samsung phone reading mode setting? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. So we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting in your Samsung mobile. Friends, click on guys phone display setting. Then guys again scroll it friends, you can see guys your eye comfort should mean guys reading mode guys, you can enable from here. And friends, you can use guys your reading mode setting as you want to schedule set time. So friends, you can set time from here. Skin color temperature guys, you can adjust according to yourself. So after enable guys, your skin color will change little bit. And friends, you can use your phone reading mode in your Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable reading mode in Samsung phone and how to use it. Bye guys.